College life's a whirlwind, and you need a laptop that can keep up. We've tested hundreds to bring you the best of 2025. First up, the Asus ZenBook 14 OLED Touch. It's our top pick for most students. Under $1,000 gets you a stunning OLED touchscreen, military-grade durability, and nearly 20 hours of battery life. Plus, it's packed with ports and an AI-ready AMD chip. Need flexibility? The Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i14 is the best 2-in-1. Affordable performance with a 14-inch display, 13-hour battery, and a solid Intel Core i5. Perfect for notes and entertainment. On a tight budget, the 2020 Apple MacBook Air with the M1 chip is now a steal. Thanks to its partnership with Walmart, it's under $700. Premium, ultra-portable, all-day battery, and you can even get it in colors. For ultimate portability, the Acer Swift Go 14 is your champion. Slim, lightweight, with nearly 16 hours of battery and a robust port selection. It's a campus essential. The Microsoft Surface Pro gets an upgrade with a Qualcomm Snapdragon X processor, AI features, and even longer battery life. Best tablet PC for notes and sketches with the Surface Slim Pen and Pro Flex keyboard. Now, content creators, listen up. The Asus Pro Art P16 is a powerhouse for you. AMD Ryzen AI 9HX, NVIDIA RTX 4070, a 4K OLED display, and AI-assisted features. Perfect for photo, video, and graphic design. Big screen, big performance? The LG Gram Pro 17 delivers a 17-inch display in a shockingly light 3.2-pound package. RTX 3050 graphics and 18-hour battery life make it ideal for media and light gaming. For gaming on a budget, the Acer Nitro V15 is a versatile machine. Long battery life for class, smooth 1080p gaming for downtime, all under $1,000. And for the ultimate Chromebook experience, the Acer Chromebook Plus Spin 714, powerful Intel Core Ultra processor, AI upgrades, and a convertible design. Perfect for Android apps and gaming. Whether you need portability, power, or affordability, there's a perfect laptop for your college journey. Thanks for watching.